The quest for free Bitcoin begins, but can it really be done? Join me as I embark on a journey to uncover the best ways to get free Bitcoin right now and discover the shocking truth behind this hot topic in the cryptocurrency world. As we dive deeper, the mystery surrounding free Bitcoin only thickens. Is it a myth, a guaranteed way to get rich quick, or something in between? The truth is out there, but it's guarded by a maze of misinformation and scams. Beware, for the path to free Bitcoin is fraught with danger. Scams and unreliable sources lurk around every corner, waiting to pounce on the unsuspecting. But what if I told you that there are legitimate ways to earn free Bitcoin? Would you believe me? The suspense builds as we explore the various methods for earning free Bitcoin. Faucets, promotional offers, and staking, each one holds the promise of riches, but which one is the real deal? And what lies behind the door-marked other opportunities? As we venture further, a glimmer of hope appears on the horizon. A method that's been surprisingly successful for many people, and one that I'd like to share with you. But is it too good to be true? Can it really help you earn significant amounts of Bitcoin? The plot thickens as we delve deeper into the world of free Bitcoin. Some users have reported earning up to 1 BTC through staking alone, but is this the exception or the rule? And what secrets lie hidden behind the veil of cryptocurrency exchanges and wallets? To uncover the truth, we'll need to recap the basics of earning free Bitcoin, common misconceptions, and some legitimate methods to get started. But will this be enough to unlock the secrets of the cryptocurrency world? The journey is far from over, and the suspense is killing me. Will you join me as we continue to explore the world of free Bitcoin and uncover the truth behind this tantalizing topic? There's only one way to find out.